Hey, what's happening in off-road stuff? So today, something I've been kind of meaning to do for a while and I just keep forgetting is the power window combination switch on my truck for the passenger side only goes down and it won't go up. So let me show you what's going on real quick. Alright, so this is the combination switch, and there it goes. See, it goes down, but it won't go back up from the driver's side. But if we crawl over here, oh, sorry about my finger, it goes up and down with this switch right here. So for those of you that don't know, this is a 2013 GMC Sierra half-ton 1500 four-wheel drive, nothing fancy. So I'm going to show you real quick what you need to replace this combination switch. Alright, so I went ahead, I just kind of threw it back together real quick so I could show you guys how I got this apart. So up underneath here, there's just like that little clip. Just kind of push up and pull out. It's funny because I did this with my pocket knife and it was actually a little bit easier. Here we go. See, it's kind of popped out right there. Oh, geez. About lost an eye. There it is. And then, so I already got these loose. 10 millimeter. I guess I could have brought my tripod, but this was just kind of on a whim. I had I ordered this new switch a long time ago, right after I got the truck, and found out about the problem. And the part just been sitting on my kitchen table for months. So it's that easy. Just one there and there, and then hold on, let me switch hands here. And then I just came in right here with my thumb, pushed up, kind of lift, and kind of, there you go. And that's the little clip on the front right there. There we go. I think y'all can see that. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the screwdriver in right here, just kind of push this tab open, and then kind of push back on the body of the switch right here, just to kind of keep it so it doesn't snap back and lock itself. And then usually once you get the second one, it'll stay out. And then basically just kind of do the same thing on the other side. Just don't pry too hard on those little tabs or you can break them. So I got the switch out. And what I find when I do these little plugs, if you kind of push in on them slightly and then push this little tab in right here, they usually come out a little easier. Just like that. And then here's our new one right here. So you just reverse the process, and then before we put it all back together, we're just gonna test it. All right. So, hey, look at that. It goes up. So, and then this little guy just, oops, sorry. Should just kind of snap back. Oh, there it goes. And then just double check this side. There it goes. Sorry. Just like that. And then you put your handle on there, your two 10s, tighten them up, and then this little piece right here just stamps back over the top. Just look, there's this little guy right here, and there's actually And if you guys can see, there's a hole right there, so just make sure that when you're putting it back on there, you get that in there. And that's really about it. Alright, hey, I hope this helps some of y'all. If you got any friends that's got a truck like this, that's having a similar situation, go ahead, share it with them. Don't forget, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Most importantly, be safe, and we'll see you on the trail.